Hoo-wee, they look like they're falling. And they're forming. They're forming Norman. Wow. I like what I'm seeing.
Oh, me too. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my Lord.
Guys, that is crazy Mammatus. Crazy Mammatus.
Hoo-wee.
Never seen anything like that. Ever. The rarest thing I've seen as far as meteorology goes.
I may not be custom truck meteorologist, but
Here's
I'm gonna experience
until
this.
Monday here.
Those are freaking huge. They look like
It's like a meteor shower going down or something, guys.
Maybe it is.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I heard being in love with science and everything. That's crazy. Are you recording, Mark?
Yes, I am.
Good.
We got Mammatus. And right overhead, too. One of them is. My window's fogging up.
Yeah.
These Mammatus are way better than the ones on Twitter, that's for sure.
This is real.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a Friday.
Holy wow! They're growing in size. They look like they're frickin'. There's 3 tornado vortex signatures by let me get that severe. Fire by fire.
I definitely believe it.
They're growing these Mammatus.
Super Bowl.
They're loaded.
Hey, Mark, can you help me out here?
Sure.
I can't get a picture from here.
Okay, I'll take pictures. Switch? Switch, please.
I'm not gonna do it for me real quick.
On this?